What's happened during the course of February is that net mutual fund flows have fallen. Yes, 89%. But it may not be as alarming as it sounds. Historically, February has been a month that has shown weakness in terms of flows. Jayesh Khilnani is standing by to tell us why. Jayesh.
Morning, Neeraj. So rightly mentioned that historically Feb has been a weak month as far as mutual fund inflows are concerned, and data will prove that. So let's have a look at what happened for this month, and this is the last 6-month trend that we have on the overall flow side. So you can see from last 6 months it has been very volatile with 1,26,000 crores as inflow, and then we had a record outflow number of 1.64 lakh crores. And for the month of Feb, the overall flow picture that has declined about 89%. From over 1 lakh crores to about 12,092 crores. Now, what has led to this fall primarily is the liquid market or the liquid schemes that we have. So look at the trend of how liquid schemes has been, or first let's have a look at how the net inflows have been in the month of Feb in the past as well. So this is no aberration, the 89% that we had, the fall that we saw. It is in line with what happens generally in the month of February. So 2013 we had a 94% drop, 14 we had a 96% drop, so on and so forth, with 2016 being the only one where we had positive flows for the month of Feb. Let's move on to the other one that I was mentioning. So you have the liquid and money market funds that we have. So that category has actually declined, and you can see that for Feb 2018 that has come in at just about 1,223 crores, the inflow I'm saying, and month on month this looks sharply down because previous month we had a inflow number of 96,552 crores. But look at the previous years, what we've done is very volatile, from about 4,000 or 5,000 odd crores to more than 1 lakh crores as well. So how has the previous February's been for the last 5-6 years? You can see that every year in the month of Feb we see a sharp decline in the liquid and money market space. So this year we've got a 99% decline, but 2015, 2014 and 2013 as well, that also suggests that this is no anomaly that we have for this month. But let's move on to the other space. What we saw for the equity funds, and this is the positive that I want to bring out, we got Feb 2018 at about 16,268 crores. Now, mind you that this is a sum of the equity fund flows plus the LSS schemes that we have. So we have seen that this is at a 3-month high, and it has actually broken its 2-month falling spree and gained for the month of Feb, despite the market falling by about 3% for the month, or on the year as well. So that's a positive that came about for the mutual fund flows. As far as inflows are concerned, the total asset under management picture, now that has come in at about 22.2 lakh crores. That is more or less flat, given that previous month was about 22.4 lakh, but it has been declining and sitting at about 2-month high. So we had positive impact on the total asset under management, given that the market fell about 3% for the month, and that was not the case with the total assets under management for the mutual fund industry. Let's move on to the next space, which is the equity asset under management. Now, this had more or less came in flat at about 7.76 lakh crores as compared to 7.86 lakh crores. But have a look at how the trend has been in the last 6 months. So we have sharply increased from about 6.5 lakh crores to about more than 7.75 lakh crores for itself. So that was the positive that came in for the equity markets as well.